Hi everyone, with me today I have these glass food storage container set. These make meal prepping super easy and they're designed to handle everything from freezer chills to oven heat without cracking or warping. Unlike plastic, these glass containers are durable and reusable so your food stays fresh no matter how hot it is. The airtight glass lids and the durable snap locks in the freshness and the built-in air vent right here makes it super easy to microwave your meals. Just pop the vent or remove the lid to avoid the pressure buildup. Each container holds 4.4 cups, giving you the perfectly portioned meals for home, work, or even picnics. Whether it's prepping for the week or packing leftovers, these got you covered. Plus, there is the silicone sleeves. They not only add a pop of color, making sure that each single one looks different and fun, but they also guard against chips and burns. They are also dishwasher and microwave safe, of course, making cleanup effortless. So if you're ready to step up your meal prep game, add these to your cart on Amazon today.